Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions on the Valk 2 LM 2x2. So here is the Valk 2 LM 2x2, and let's just go ahead and slide it open. I did get it in black because I kind of wanted to see how a black 2x2 would feel. Okay, accessories, let's talk about that later. Let's go ahead and open this up. You've got some extra springs and the Valk 2 LM itself. Now I do have another Valk 2 here, and this one actually has the YJ MGC 2x2 springs in. However, this one is now dead because I've done about 30,000 solves on it. So I'm really excited to finally get an upgrade from this one. As you can even see, this logo is completely faded away, which means I've used it a bit too much and it's completely dead. So now this one I'll probably use for tutorials and stuff, and I'll use this one as my main now. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright, looks pretty good. Little greasy from the outside. First turns. Wow, this actually feels really good out of the box. Compared to the other Valk 2, this one has much lighter magnets and it feels a lot faster out of the box. It kind of feels somewhat like this one. This one's completely broken and set up dead. This one just has much lighter magnets. Let's compare. Yes, definitely. You can't really feel the magnets while you're turning this one. Whereas for this one, you can definitely feel the magnets. Overall, this cube does seem very promising. I'll have to set it up and see how I like it. This one's definitely my new main because this one's dead. Overall, it turns really nicely. I'm finally happy to now have an upgrade from this one. This one is a lot faster than the other one was out of the box, and it feels a little bit more scratchy, and it's also flexing quite a bit more. I think they use different springs for this one. I'm not really sure what's the case, but in either case, this one's definitely faster and less stable, flexes more, and corner cutting is pretty good. Oh, it's actually really good. Pretty much can do anywhere. Effortless. So overall, this cube seems very promising. It's nice and fast and exactly how I like it. And it's definitely my new main. So for my first impressions, I'd give this cube a 9.5 out of 10. Now, here are some solves on the Valk 2 LM 2x2. Thank you for watching. So I've had the Valk 2 LM for a little while now, and here are my thoughts. Out of the box, the cube was just way too fast. I did not notice this initially, but when I actually did some solves, I was overshooting a lot. I then proceeded to dump the cube with Cubelelo Nucleus and break it in a lot. This helped quite a bit, but the cube is still a little bit faster than I would like. However, I'd gladly take this over a very slow and gummy cube. The original Valk 2M was too slow, and the LM, being a lot faster, really helped because it's easier to slow a cube down than speeding it up. So, would I recommend the LM over the regular Valk 2M? Absolutely, if you're talking about one that does not have YJ MGC 2x2 springs in it. The main purpose of the spring swap is to speed the cube up, and the LM being a lot faster than the M really helps. If you have a regular Valk 2M with MGC springs that you're perfectly happy with, I don't see a reason in getting this cube because it basically just has lighter magnets and corner twist less. The speed is exactly the same. But if you're not satisfied with your current 2x2 or you have a regular Valk 2M and think it's too slow, I'd definitely recommend the Valk 2 LM. Overall, this cube is my new main and I get really good times with it. If you guys really want a review on this cube, let me know in the comments down below. However, I feel this sums up my thoughts pretty well. So that's about it for my first impressions on the Valk 2 LM 2x2. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.